Hang out with me while I do my one client for the day. Hey girl!
Hi.
How you doing today?
I'm great.
And you will not be booking with me again. Okay, man.
That could have been somebody else.
Exactly. Half my day gone. Ain't nobody got time for that. I mean, I don't. Because why? It's a big ass cake, but I don't never use it. It's cute though. A little FYI, if you cancel your appointments consecutively within less than 72 hours, you're done. You will no longer be booking with me. You're done. It's been so long since I did a freaking tape in shampoo. Yeah, you know you want to get tape ins.
No.
Of all my clients currently, they're mostly all protective girls.
Oh, the usually.
Yeah. Or wigs, you know.
It's not looking like a taking. That's right. It's not taking.
But they just don't have the hair for it, honey.
Oh, that's right.
They don't have the hair for it, or their hair is not heat trained. They want their natural curls intact. There's a lot of different factors that come into play. Yeah. After that relaxing shampoo, I prepped her hair for her hydration treatment. Once that was complete, I towel dried her hair and we moved to my station so I can prep her for the dryer. Now we're moving into the detangling process before I put her into the dryer. I used a couple of leave-ins and hydration sprays just to add to the moisture since we will be doing a silk press again to her hair. That is why I did so many shampoos to make sure all product and oils were lifted from her hair and scalp. And then I went back in to put in the moisture into her hair because of the heat that will be applied to it. We have to have that inner shine and the healthiness to make sure her hair does not suffer any kind of setbacks while she's wearing her tape ins. So you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm going to sign out from the commentary.